Alright, I'm going to record this now whilst I'm in the trade, so it looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. I'm just unfortunate of getting caught up in this chop. This was looking decent. Obviously, if we zoom out, then yeah, it is hella choppy. But bias coming into the day was bullish because we took out this 1 hour sell side. We're still delivering from this 4 hour gap here. I want to see bullish price action. 15-minute bullish PDRA getting respected. This trade's about to get stopped out, unfortunately. 5-minute, this is where the trade delivery came from. We tapped into this 5-minute order block, scaling into the 1-minute chart. We took out this internal low. Then coming into 2 p.m, we had this market structure shift, displacement above this little swing high, and then opened up that gap. So I was long on ES because it was a more bullish index. Almost got stopped. Literally, I put it one tick below this low, and it saved me. I'm just going to let it run. Now, the Tradeify account is already out because I put a limit order on my Tradeify account literally around here for my final trade for the pass. I'm $10 off of a pass. So I'll do that live in a sec. I just want to focus on this trade right now. Obviously, I'm not going to touch that Tradeify right now because of this chop. But once this trade is done, then I'll hop over onto the Tradeify account and try and make that $10 to get the pass. So yeah, high time frame bias. So yeah, man, I still want to see higher prices. This just isn't very clean, and it'll probably get stopped out because of it. But I mean, shit. Yeah, it's just 1 hour structure that had me, especially because we're still holding that 1 hour gap, taking out this 1 hour low. I want to see these stacked highs get taken. Even though it's choppy, I mean, I still see reasons for market to move higher. So yeah, it looks like we're going to get stopped out though. Unfortunate. But yeah, I'll pause the recording and I'll be back when shit starts happening. Alright, so I ended up getting stopped out of that trade on Apex. I'm just short here now off this gap. And hopefully deliver like $10 profit. I'm risking literally $40 or something like that. So I'm not really too bothered if it gets stopped. But yeah. Should be pretty easy. There we go. That should be, yeah, passed. Alright. Day done. Passed the eval. Unfortunately took a loss on Apex, but yeah, man. Right. Okay, let's do a top down and fully go over this trade. Obviously, wasn't very good, but yeah, I mean, hindsight obviously is shit, but yeah. So let's zoom back out. Let's go to a 4 hour chart and get over to ES. So we have this sell side level here, this irregular buy side wick. Obviously we pushed out that 4 hour gap. I want to see this be the buy model to buy side liquidity. Zooming into a 1 hour chart. We are holding this 1 hour gap. After this displacement, we hold, we come down, we take sell side, we start buying back up into the range. There's clear draw on buy side here. If we look at NQ, we have stacked highs resting. And then zooming into a 15-minute choppy shit, but we inverse this 15-minute gap, I suppose. 5-minute, we trade. There was no gap. We traded back down to this order block, and 1-minute structure. We displaced past this 1-minute internal swing high and opened up the gap. So that was the long position. Stops were 1 tick below here. All right. And I was looking to go break even here and then target buy side. So I'll mark that out just for my journal. And that would have been a break even point. All right, so when we're in this area, the trade doesn't look that bad. I just got one thing, a note to self is just to know when to stay out of these markets, because obviously, well, with the benefit of hindsight now, we know that this wasn't a good trade and the conditions were rough. So, but hey, Road to Fund is complete. We passed the Tradeify account, luckily. But up until today, I've been taking really good trades. I was due a loss. I've been on a like a decent run. And yeah, we just got caught up in this bad price action. But we live and we learn. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe stop should have been at this low. Who knows? But I like that. All right, so trade recap done. Road to Funded series complete. We've done it. We've passed the Tradeify account. So now we're running 2 evals. The Apex is still up like $300, the funded. But yeah, now we start fresh on the Tradeify. So I shall catch you boys tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, so we've still got 2 days of the trading week. We're still profitable for the week, even after this loss, So yeah, man, I will catch you boys tomorrow.